Imagine this. You're standing in the desert, 4,500 years ago, and somehow, without cranes, without electricity, without even the wheel being perfected, 100,000 people just built something so massive, so perfectly aligned, that modern astronauts can spot it from space. Today, we're answering the question that has stumped scientists for centuries. How did they actually build this? It's 2560 BC. The pharaoh Khufu wakes up and decides something wild. I'm going to build a mountain of stone. It will be my tomb. It will last forever. His engineers probably thought he was insane. Because here's the thing. The Great Pyramid isn't just big. It's mathematically insane. We're talking 2.3 million stone blocks, weighing 2.5 tons each, stacked 481 feet high, built in just 20 years. Do the math. That's one block placed every 2 minutes, for 2 decades, non-stop. Here's where it gets interesting. Modern engineers have tried to replicate this using ancient methods. The University of Liverpool ran experiments. They used copper tools, wooden sledges, water to reduce friction, and ramps. And you know what? They barely made it work. Modern workers with modern knowledge struggled to move stones half the size. These ancient Egyptians, they were doing it faster. The precision is the real mind bender. The pyramid is aligned to true north within 0.05 degrees. The 4 sides are equal lengths, within 20 centimeters of each other. How? They didn't have compasses. They didn't have GPS. Yet it's more accurate than most modern buildings. One theory, they used the stars. Specifically, the star Thuban. It's in the north. And 4,500 years ago, it was directly over the North Pole. All they needed was to point at that star at night, mark the line, and build along it. Genius? Or did they have help nobody talks about? But here's what really freaks people out. In 2017, scientists using muon particles, basically cosmic rays, discovered a massive hidden chamber inside the pyramid. A chamber so big, it could fit an airplane in it. Nobody knew it was there. Not archaeologists, not engineers. It's been hiding inside this monument for 4,500 years. What was it for? Nobody knows. Some say it was a storage chamber. Others think it was part of an anti-flooding system. The pyramid actually has an incredibly sophisticated water management system inside. Not for drinking water. It's designed to direct water away from the tomb. This wasn't a primitive structure. This was engineered by people who understood hydraulics, geometry, and structural integrity at a level we're still impressed by. So let's talk about the thing everyone wonders. Did aliens build this? No. Obviously not. But here's why people ask. Ancient Egypt wasn't a simple civilization with sticks and stones. They had advanced mathematics, astronomical knowledge, architectural understanding that rivals modern engineers, a hierarchical system that could mobilize 100,000 people. They had everything needed except the machines we think are necessary. The pyramids are proof that human ingenuity doesn't need electricity or steel. It needs 3 things: vision, coordination, and time. The pharaoh had the vision. The slaves and workers had the muscle. And they had time. Not in the way we think about time today, but in a society where you could devote resources to something for 20 years straight and nobody would complain. Here's the uncomfortable truth that historians don't like to admit. We still don't know exactly how they did it. We have theories, good theories, but no smoking gun. No ancient instruction manual. No Egyptian engineer's diary that says, here's exactly how we did it. And maybe that's the point. These weren't mindless workers. They were skilled laborers, architects, mathematicians, and problem solvers. When they hit a problem, they figured it out. When modern engineers hit a problem, we just throw technology at it. The pyramids are a monument to human problem solving at its most creative. So when you look at the Great Pyramid of Giza, you're not just looking at a tomb. You're looking at the fingerprint of one of history's greatest civilizations. A civilization so advanced, so coordinated, so confident that they built something designed to last forever. And so far, they were right.